Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this small video about Nasdaq. So let's get started. This is the Nasdaq daily chart I made in on January 11th, right? And after that, it started to go up. This is supposed to be going to the upside for wave 5 if we end wave 4 here above 207.94. So it did, and it start to go to the upside, right? So I'm going to show only the last week, right, what happened. I'm taking a lot of trades here. I'm going to the upside, but long, short, both depend on the exit wave. I'm going to show you along the way. And but this is what happened last week. So the week started on the 20th, I guess, right? So the 21st, that was like Martin Luther King or something, very slow day. So on the first trade was taken on the 21st. Let me show you this. For 21st, it's long trade taken from here. Now I took it from here, and my son Omer, he's making this system even more simpler, and it's a slightly different system. So he took it also. I think this was the entry on this system right here. See that? This is the entry it took, and almost the same trade, right? But two different systems, right? So we took this one here on the 21st. Then it was completely going to now the 21st. Let me show you where the 21st was. So on this chart, you can see this is the beginning here, the 21st, right? So when I saw that this wave 1 and 2 already, or harmonically, this wave B, point B was at 78, and then this C at 38. So it's supposed to get D at 127 or 161. Right? If it goes to 161, then it should be wave 1, 2, and 3, followed by wave 4 to the downside. So we started to trade from here, wave 3. The first trade was this one, the one I just showed you, and then second one you will see here. Let's take a look. The second one on the next day, see this? It was powerfully going to the upside. Then we got in here, as also here, and then all the way to the upside here, all the way to 219.21. So we closed there. Why? Because of this thing is coming to end, and there was a pattern, harmonic pattern called butterfly was completed. The 219.56 right there. So we closed just here, right? And then I made this chart that we're gonna drop here for wave 4. If this is wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4. Now wave 4 do not come here like in a straight line. Usually it's like A, B, C, something like that, right? And maybe I have a diagram to show as well, but no. So all right, so this the drop started to come, and then this is the short entry, and then all the way down, right? And after that, it's supposed to be going to the upside. So this is how it is. This is how it goes. So wave 3 ending, so came down, then we're supposed to go to the upside, then one more down, and then we go to the upside, right? So we were here last time. So the next trade was to the upside. Yes, we went to the upside. The next trade supposed to be to the downside, the same diagram. And then the next trade is downs. Right. But now this down is not, is it completed or it is still incomplete? That's the question. So this, I see that wave 1, 2, and wave 3. Maybe this is wave 4 or maybe not. And we might be able to go down a little bit more to the downside for wave 5. Let's take a look. Now, right now, this is what the situation is as far as that butterfly pattern, the harmonic pattern. So we had this one, right? It's coming down here. So we came down A, B, and C, maybe a little more to the maybe the TL, rising TL. Well, let's see, right? Time will tell. But we already hit the 38%. This could be A, B, C, and then up. So is it finished, or we'll come down here a little bit more and then go to the upside? Time will tell, right? So let's see. This is the chart. This is the current chart that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we went up to 38% for wave 4. So my calculation is that if we can stay below 217.82 when the market opens up, we might be able to go to 1662, right? For wave 5, and that would be end of wave C of wave 4, and it will be looking like this. See, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4 would be 216.62 is right there where the TL is, and this horizontal level, and 50% flip from here to here. So this is my current target. And then from there, we will start to go to the upside again, maybe to this level, right? So this is how, step by step, with the analysis, we take the trade, the first one from here, the second was from here, the third one coming down, the fourth one going up, the fifth one coming down. Every step of the way, we took the trade, right? It's similar here, here, here. We had the trade, but this is only this week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in Nasdaq according to the Elliott wave count perfectly. So that's why I said that, if you learn this Elliott wave and harmonic pattern studies, right, and then you trade these things with the system, then there is no way that you can, this market can go get away from you, right? It will be under your feet all the time. You will know exactly. And not only this system, I mean, Nasdaq I'm talking about. This is just, I'm showing you that Nasdaq that's what it is. And then Omar is going to make a video as for his the new system, right? Not this one. Obviously, I just showed you the other one, right? But all the trades, a couple of trades taken by that system, right? And it's working beautifully. So yeah, so this is what I'm saying, that if you like what you saw, you want to get hold of this and then go and then trade, using this Elliott wave harmonic pattern, become master of these studies, then go on my website. And then here's my website. You have all kind of things, but the most powerful is one-on-one course coaching, right? 10-hour over the Zoom that I teach you every single thing and make you master of this trading business. And if you don't want to do one-on-one, then you can just simply get these courses, powerful courses, video courses, right? You can watch them and learn how to evaluate and all this and that, right? And take it from there. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys that this is what Nasdaq is doing, and the system is very, very good. All the indexes, not only Nasdaq, but S&P 500 and this and that, plus gold. You can see all those trades, right? So I'm not showing any other trades, but only just wanted to show how Nasdaq. We are tracking Nasdaq, and basically I'm not tracking. I do the analysis, but the trade wise, my son Omar is after this thing all the time. Nasdaq. He handled Nasdaq. So, and this is it. Well, today's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. And if you like, you can come on the website, take it, start from here, start learning, and taking trades like us we're doing here, right? So just wanted to share with you guys, and you have a very, very nice rest of the weekend, and talk to you in my next video.